Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. This is Truly Tara. Here I do unboxings and some reviews. Today I have Slay, and I'm thinking that this has to be the June box. Even though it's July already, this box comes in kind of late. And this is a fairly cheap box. It's 24 with shipping. I think it's pops it up to like 30. Um, so yeah, and the contest, guys, wait till the end and we'll discuss. Okay, so first things first is Illuminati, and I had somebody from Illuminati. I guess they're going to do their own sub box, and I'm waiting now on the sub box, so I'm excited to get it. And like, I mean, I'm not getting anything. They just reached out and was like, "Hey, we got a new sub box. Do you want to purchase it?" And I was like, "Yeah, like I would love to review it." So, I was like, is there any promos or anything? And unfortunately there wasn't. So I'm excited to get it and check it out. I've never really heard of them before. Um, so let's swatch this. It's very much blue. I've already got like a little blue because I've already filmed this once and kind of didn't like the way that it turned out. So I redid it, and I'll let you know what that little mark right there is in just a second. Okay, so I really do like this quad. Usually with blues, I get like a couple in a big palette. Like I don't buy blue because I just don't do well with blue. But I think that if done right, um, it would really bring out my eyes. So I'm really going to try with this palette. Okay, and so that brings me to the next item, which is Moira. This is the first that I know of multi-chrome gel liner. And like I said, I already filmed this once, and like I had done that, and whenever I tried to take it off, all the other makeup came off except for this. So it is strong. And my light's out, so I don't really think that you can see how cool the colors in that are. Like, it's really purple. Like, from what I see, it looks really blue, but it's very, very much purple and glittery, and I really cannot wait to play with this. And just so you know, like, I put on my old Malvarello that I got in the last video. That was the best palette to play with. It really was. Okay, so next we have a lip oil. It's Glitter Magic Lip Oil, RMT. I hate that my light's out because I can't, like, gosh, I already can't see. So now I triple can't see. But this is a good, nice little oil. Just to add a little bit of shine. And it's just cute. It's cute as it can be. So I like that. All right, and so another palette. This is, yeah, okay. So this is called Nile, and I don't want to, I'm not going to get into it just because I would rather not and save it. You know, if I do the other palette and I don't like the blue, then this will definitely be a giveaway. But if I do like the blue, then I might try this. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so one more, last but not least, is Beauty Creation Sweet Glow. And I know that I've seen this. Not this specific palette. I just know that I've seen this candy, this Sweet Glow line somewhere. The first thing, I want to smell it because it says sweet, but it has no scent. It looks like cotton candy. Like, that's what it reminds me of. And I guess that it's I mean it's you're not going to put blue on your cheeks. So it's another eye palette. So that's the most palettes ever. That's a record for most palettes in a box for sure. Um okay, so that's all for that. That was a all right box. I mean, my gosh, I got 3 palettes in one box, and this liner is awesome. I can't wait to put that on. And um okay, so contest. So tonight I'm going to I found a little site that I can go put in all the names, and because I want it to be as fair as possible. So I'm going to do this little race that I've actually seen on Truly site. Shout out to Spring because it's what Spring does. It's called the Unicorn Race. But I'm hoping that I can find a cat race. I think that that would be just so appropriate. So that will be tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to go live or what, but I'm definitely going to figure out how to do it tonight. Like I found it before I did this video, so I wanted to be able to let you guys know what I was going to do. So it's going to be a race. It's going to be tomorrow, and everybody that even answered one question right, you're going to be in the drawing because I feel like I was like, you got to get all 3, and then I think I put it out wrong. I put it in the wrong order. So yeah, we're just anybody that answered, you know, you're gonna be in there, and it's gonna be a good prize. You're gonna be really happy. Like you already know that you're gonna get a Truly bag, and I'm gonna put stuff all in it. So, all right, I'm gonna end it there, and please like, subscribe, comment. I can't believe I think I'm up to 78 now. It just keeps growing. So I love it. And I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.